All available experts, please report to room A9.
Hello guys, Exeter here, and welcome to Digital Clock. The module will have a digital clock and 5 buttons. The mode button we will hold for about 2 seconds to enter alarm clock mode. This is our submission state. The hour button cycles the hours in the submission state. The minutes cycle between the minutes in the submission state, where pressing and holding can cycle them faster. Temperature will be needed to figure out what we're going to be setting the time to. And the reset function, of course, resets the alarm and goes back to normal mode. Okay, I think if you go into submission mode, you can quickly press the reset button and come back out of it again. Let's just see that. Yes. The characteristics of the digital clock is what by users decide specific time to sleep. The characteristics of the digital clock determine the time for the alarm to be set. So let's look here. So, is it in the 24-hour format? It is, because we can see 1444. So we're going to be adding 3 hours. The time of the alarm is determined by adding the sleep duration from the initial time shift. So we'll be adding 3 hours onto it. Then the background colour, which is this orange here, or will be black here.
All personnel, please return to your stations.
We'll be adding 1 minute per RGB component. That's the same with the digit colours. So for black, we won't be adding anything. But for orange, we're going to be adding 255 plus 128 minutes, which is equivalent to so it's 383 over 60, that's 6 hours, and then and 23 minutes, I'm assuming that means. I'm just going to double check. So it was 383 divided by 60, and then minus the 6 times the answer is 23. So this is equivalent to adding 6 hours and 23 minutes, which is equivalent to 9 hours and 23 minutes. The digit colour, of course, I said we're not going to be adding anything. The colon is blinking. It is blinking here. So we'll be adding 2 more hours on. So we'll be adding 11 hours. And to find the temperature, we're going to add a minute per degree Celsius and subtract a minute per degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to be adding 21 and subtracting 69. Plus 21 minus 69 minutes. We're going to be subtracting 48 minutes, which is going to be slightly more complicated. So taking away 23 minutes, we get down to 11 hours. Then we have 25 minutes left over. Here we have 25 minutes left over, so 60 minus 25. We're going to be putting it forward, I think, 10 hours and 35 minutes. 1444 plus 10 hours is 24.44, which of course 24 becomes 00. 44 plus 44 plus 35 equals 79 minus 60. So we're going to be setting it to 119, hopefully. So let's go to submission mode. We get the module. Let's do that one more time. So, is it 24-hour format? No, because the AM PM is lit up this time. The background color is black, so we're not going to do anything. The digit colors is cyan. It's a sort of a lighter blue. So we're going to be adding 2 sets of 255. That's going to be 510 minutes. 510 over 60 is 8 hours. And that's 8.5, so 1.5 times 60 is 30. 8 hours, 30 minutes. The color is blinking, so that's going to be 10 hours and 30 minutes. And then the temperature, we're going to be adding 24 and subtracting 75. So we'll be subtracting 51. 51 minus 30 is 21. So taking 30 away from it, we go down to 10 hours, where we have 21 left over. 60 minus 21, we have 39 minutes with 1 less hour. 9 hours, 39 minutes. Adding this onto the initial time, 5. Of course, this is PM, remember? So this is actually be 5 plus 12, so it'll be 17. I'm pretty sure that the alarm clock is always in 24-hour mode. So we've got 17 o'clock if you will. Adding 9 hours onto that is 26 minus 24, gets us to 2. And we currently have 26 here. 26 plus 39 gets us to 65, which adds another hour on to take away the 60. We will probably send it to 3:05 in the morning. There we go. So I was wrong there. It actually is in. It stays in 12-hour mode, but you still have to input it as PM or AM if you have a past lunchtime time. But that was digital clock. Hopefully you understand how that works. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.